Okay, so what's up mga idol? At ngayong araw na to, andito tayo ngayon sa may Natividad, Pangasinan. So dito po yan sa may Barangay Rizal. So along the highway lang tong place na to. At ang pangalan ng place na to is Marias Lungti ang Bukid. So kapag andito kayo, maganda yung place. Medyo bago pa lang to sa mga tao, hindi pa masyadong nakikilala. Pero kapag punta kayo dito, sulit guys. Okay, so ito yung mga videos natin at captured in 5, 4, 3, 2.
I know your eyes in the morning sun. I feel you touch me in the pouring rain. And the moment that you wander far from me, I wanna feel you in my arms again. And you come to me on a summer breeze, keep me warm in your love, then you softly leave. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Your love, how deep is your love? I really mean to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they all should let us be. We belong to you and me. I believe in you. You know the door to my very soul. You're the light in my deepest, darkest night. You are my savior when I fall. And you may not think that I care for you, when you know down inside that I really do. And it's me you need to show. How deep is your love? Your love, how deep is your love? I really mean to learn, 'cause we're living in a world of fools, breaking us down when they